All right. We are going to look at external CSS sheet now. So I think this is self-explanatory. For external CSS style sheets, you don't add it inside your HTML file. You have to add it. You have to create an external file outside the HTML, so you have enough space to tweak your CSS, arrange it the way you want to arrange it, then link it to your HTML. So let's just read through this together. An HTML page styled by an external CSS style sheet must reference the CSS file in the document head. Once you create a CSS file, it must be uploaded to your server and linked to your HTML code via, for example, yeah, this is how you link it. You have to use the link tag to link this, right? So there's no example here, but you can practically do this. So how do we link? You can come here anywhere actually. Let's do it before the title. Be anywhere actually. So we're going to use a link tag. So you see there are various options. There's link CSS. So click on this, and this links it does that for you. You can see. So this type CSS is not really necessary, I guess. So this just gives you a basic stuff. So it's linking. href means it's linking to this file. We don't have this file yet, so you have to create it. So come here and click on this, right, on new file. So we're going to add a new file since we're working on just one file, which is the index.html. So I want to make style.css file now. So this is css file. How do you know it's a css file? It has the extension .css. This is an html file. How do you know it has the extension .html? So this is empty right now. So what do we want to do now? I want to make some changes. So what changes do we want to make? So I'll come to this table, right? Let's work on the table a bit. So let me save this and let's say table. So table is a selector. So the property, what do you want to change on this table? Let me leave this place and check what we have currently. So I'm going to close this and see. So this table is just like this. Do I want to work on anything on the table? I don't think so. Okay. So let's see. Let's work on the content. Oh, I can change the font actually. So if I change the font, everything on the table will be changed. Or let's try. Let's say font size. Font size is let's say 20 pixel. It's quite big. Let me reduce it. Let's say 16. Let's do 16 pixel. Let's save and see. It increased. I want to make it very big so it will be obvious. Let's do 30 first. Yeah, you can see the difference. So I think I need to increase, yeah, so you guys can see my code base properly. So this is too big, but we can do something like 20, I guess. Yeah. So that's that. So apart from that, we can make other changes like let's see the content. We can make this tr, yeah. Where am I? Okay. Yes. TR is also a tag. Can do it here. No. Let's do th instead. Th is the head. I can remove this table. I don't really need to style this. So let's style the h tag. I want this one to be bigger. So we can use that 16 pixel here. You can use 20 pixel here. Let's see how it looks. So 20 pixels bigger. So that's for the head. So all the head will be changed because I have done that. Then for the days, I can change this one. Can work on the days. So TD can make this font size. Let's do 15 pixel. Let's see how that looks. Oh, 15 pixel is small. It's okay. It's okay. It's fair. I'll do 16 instead. So what else can I change? I can try to change. Um, I can try to add some spacing, right? So I'll do that in a TD, right? I'll do that in a TD. So I'll say I want to give it padding around it. I'll make this padding like, let's say 8 pixel. Let's see how that looks. So TD, as you can see, is everything inside the cell of this. So this 9 a.m., 12 p.m., this all are TD. So when I do this change, it affects everything that has TD, right? It picks everything. So I think, yeah, you can see there's a reasonable spacing around them now, right? So that's a padding. So I think this is looking better. So we can also make it look more like a table. You can also add what's it called now, border. So this is border will give it a table like form. So let's say 1 pixel, 1 pixel. This is how you add border anyway, solid, and give it a color. So what color of the border, what color will the border be? So I can give it, let me give it a random light color. So let's use that color and let's see. Oh, this is how it looks. This is not what I want. So what do I want? I just want the no. I'll use a row. Okay, let me cut this. Control X. So I'll work on row. Let's do TR. So for every row, I want to give it I want to give it a border. Let me paste this here. But this border now will be border bottom, right? Nothing happened. Why is that? Let me inspect this and see why. Mm-hmm. It didn't work. Okay. Border bottom. Okay. Let me try it for this one. Let's try it here. Let's see. Oh, there's a space in between them. So I actually wanted to do something like a line kind of thing, such that there will be like a line separating it and probably something here. But that can be added later. But it's fine. It's fine. But you understand the flow anyway. I'm gonna take all of this thing out. So yeah. So this is how external style sheet works. You create an external file, external CSS file, and you add it. This is where the connection takes place. This link, use this link to add it. This will be the name of the file. So if you say index.css here, the name of this file must be index.css. So this is how you link it. So you can style anything inside this page, down to the video, to everything. As long as you link it, you can style it inside this style sheet and link it to your. So that's all about external style sheet. So you have a full understanding now of inline style sheet, which you did here, inline style, inline CSS, and you also have an overview of internal style sheet, which is added on your head. You do your style inside of here. All of them, the same thing can be done. Then the last one, which is external style sheet, which you add a link here and create a separate file, and you can write as many code as you want to write here. As long as it's connected, it will work. So I think that wraps it up for types of CSS. All right. Thanks, guys.